To perform phase contrast imaging, first check that the lamp is on and the brightness level is acceptable to provide good contrast. On the upright stand, make sure the bottom lamp is on and the preset is off so that you can adjust the light intensity, and that the bright level is suitable. Insert neutral density and color filters as required to achieve a good white balance background. Put your sample on the microscope with the cover slip facing the objective and focus on the sample. If this isn't possible due to the sample's transparency, move to the edge of the cover slip and focus on that. Make sure you have adjusted the microscope to provide color illumination. Check the objective is a phase objective. You will see a pH on the side of the objective. Take a note of the phase number for that objective. Select the correct phase ring in the condenser for that phase objective, whether it be PHL for 4x, PH1 for 10x and 20x, PH2 for 40x and 60x, or PH3 for higher magnification such as 60x and 100x. You will need to check the correct ring for each objective. Open the aperture of the condenser to the fully open position, otherwise you will not illuminate your sample. Change the emission turret to bright field or no filter. Make sure the light is directed to the eyepieces by moving the slider on the upright or turning the knob on the inverted. You will see a phase contrast image through the eyepieces. Move the condenser ring from the open to phase position to compare the differences.